Thanks for dropping by. In today's video, I'm going to look at real basics of masking inside Fusion. We're going to start off by bringing in a background node. So if I hover over the toolbar that's in the middle, Simon Stansfield hotbar, and I've got the background, I can drag that into the node graph and bring in my background node. Inside the inspector, I can select the color palette and change the color to red. I'm going to drag the background node to viewer 1, and you'll see that the red is taking up the whole image. I want to mask that, so if we go into the effect tools and then come down to masks, we'll see the different kinds of masks we've got available to us. We have bitmap, b-spline, ellipse, mask paint, polygon, ranges, rectangle, triangle and wand. Because the background is highlighted, I'm just going to click eclipse, and that is going to apply that eclipse mask to the background. You'll notice on the background we have the blue triangle, which is here, which is our mask input. So our ellipse is connected to our mask input on our background. Now you can have more than one mask stacked together, which creates the scene and builds up the shape that you want. So with the ellipse highlighted, I'm going to come back to the hotbar, come down to where we've got popular masks here, and I'm going to select the rectangle. You'll notice the rectangle's placed itself in between the ellipse and the background. So we have the ellipse connected to the rectangle effects mask and the rectangle connected to the background effects mask. I'm going to bring the ellipse into viewer 2, and you'll see that the ellipse is a single channel black and white map. Where it is white, then you're going to see what is beneath it. So you're going to see the background, the red, and where it's black, it's transparent. If I bring the rectangle in, you can now see that the rectangle and the ellipse are actually merged together. If I look in the rectangle in the inspector, we can see the paint mode is merged, but we can change this paint mode. For example, if we change it to subtract, then this is a great way of cutting holes out of masks. So there we have a hole in our mask. Select the rectangle, right click, and I'm going to delete the rectangle while we finish off looking at the ellipse. If we look in the inspector, these controls are in pretty much all masks, and we start off with show view controls. This just hides the controls in the viewer so you can get more granular control. The level controls the opacity of the mask, and then we also have soft edge, draws a fast Gaussian blur edge onto our mask, and we've also got different filters that we can select there for our soft edge. We have the solid checkbox. If we uncheck this, we can use the border width to create just the border, and if we use invert, it will change what was black to white and what was white to black, and then we get the corresponding image in the viewer. At the bottom of the majority of masks, you're going to get some form of transform controls, so you can control how the mask looks. So we can change the center position, width, height and angle. So that is today's video, the basics of masking inside Fusion. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, maybe drop a comment, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.